Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be doing a couple of videos. Not sure when they're going to get uploaded, but I'm going to try and do a couple just so they're there so I can edit them and get them uploaded if I edit them at all. I haven't been recently. But yeah, I thought today I would start off with this, which is my Curiology Coven Club box for this month. This arrived a couple of days ago. So yeah, let's have a look at what we get inside this month. Okay, so we have a couple of things. So you have this little thing. So we have a divination disc pendant and a teacup of fortune pin badge. And you get a free gift. You get a crystal dowsing pendulum to be used with your disc pendant. Okay, and then you have like a little instruction thing to tell you how to use your pendulum. Again, these always come in the cutest little bags with the Curiology logo on there. So have a look. Ooh, okay, this is pretty cool. Okay, so this is our pin badge. I don't know if it's going to focus. It's probably not going to. If I tap the camera where it needs to focus, focus on that. Not my face, this. Focus on that. Okay. This is going well. But yeah, we have that. And then this is our necklace. So like the yes, maybe, no thing on there. This again is not focusing. There you go. That's focused kind of. There you go. That's what this looks like. And then we have our little pendanty kind of thing. It's pretty cool. I like that a lot. Never used one of these before, so it'll be quite interesting to give it a go. So yeah, I like that a lot. You can also put this like on a pendant as well because it's got a pendant clasp. Pretty nice. So yeah, that is our Curiology Coven Club box for this month. It's always a quick video, but yeah, there you go. So thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe and all that good stuff, and I will see you all again very, very soon. Adios.